When printing your spreadsheet, it's sometimes handy to use a view called Page Break View. You can access Page Break View by going to View in the ribbon and clicking the Page Break View button, or if you come down to the bottom right of your status bar, there are 3 view buttons, and the third button is Page Break View. When I click this view, my spreadsheet looks like this. Page Break View is designed to get your information to print nicely across pages. If I wish, for instance, this spreadsheet to print on one page, I can drag the dashy line down, and now the information will fit on one page. If I drag the bottom edge down, I now have 2 pages, and if I drag this edge up, I can ask it to print this information on page 1, this information on page 2, and I can drag this edge up to make it tidy. If I wish it to print on 4 pages, I can drag this edge out to create a 3rd and 4th page, and then drag this edge to the left to print this information on page 1, this information on page 2, drag this edge, this information on page 3, this information on page 4, and I don't want a blank page 5 or 6, so I'll drag this edge in here. You can completely customize what prints on what pages. But if you want to reset the page breaks, I would recommend that you choose the Page Layout tab in the ribbon. There you'll find a Breaks button, and if you click the Breaks button, you can reset all page breaks. Back to the default. If I wish to insert a page break, I could click on row 34, go to the Breaks button, and insert a page break. And now I've got page 1 and page 2. If I wish to remove a page break, I'll click on row 34, go to the Breaks button and remove a page break. And now I'm back to page 1 and page 2. To get out of the page break view, return to the status bar and click the first of the 3 buttons called Normal, or from the View tab in the ribbon, click the Normal button.